Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. DIY number 1. This is a rose themed Christmas DIYs. So I'm planning to do a Christmas tree, basically a rose Christmas tree, and this is some of the party hats, and I chose the pink one. This is so cute by itself and it looked like a Christmas tree for me, and it has like a nice silver colored dots, and I'm just removing the elastic part using my scissors, and I'm going to decorate this as a cone for Christmas tree. So I have this bunch of pink, actually blush pink roses. So I'm going to remove all the petals, each layer, and I'm also going to cut each separate petal just like so. Now I took my conical Christmas tree and I'm starting to attach all the rose petals next to each other. Actually, I'm trying to overlap so I don't see any gaps in between the petals. So I'm trying to get as much close I can, and I'm doing the first line, and this is how it looks after it's done with the first line. And for the second line, what I'm doing is I'm trying to stick the petal in between those two petals just like that. If you can see it, just like that. And I'm going to complete the second row, and I completed all the way to the top, and this is how it looks after it's all done. I wanted to place one more rose on the top as a tree topper, and all I'm doing is removing the plastic parts, and I just snip little bit so it doesn't pop out much, and it goes along with the tree. And I'm taking a dab of a hot glue and I'm sticking the rose on top of it just like so. This is how my rose petal tree looks as of now, and I'm also going to attach with some of the hot glue to get the flower look fuller. After all the petals are stuck, this looks so beautiful, and the tree is so light and airy and is so dainty, and I'm just loving this. So you have to let me know in the comment section about what you think. This is one of my rose petal Christmas tree. Like you saw the process, that was like a party hat, and I stuck rose petals, and I stuck one of the rose on the top with some pink feathers. And this is another reindeer that I decorated with a rose feather and a flower from last year. I just decorated it along with him. So yeah, this is one of the cute Christmas tree that I'm very much happy with. So let me know your thoughts on this. This video is part of Bloom with Grace playlist, and this is hosted by Brenda over Moners Market and co-hosted by Zana over OK at Home DIY. I'll leave the links of their channels in my description box, as well as the playlist of all the amazing participants. So let's get on to DIY number 2. For this DIY, I'm going to use one of this beautiful box. It has got like a magnetic effect. The door of the box, actually, if you just leave it, it just shuts down. And it's cool for $1, and also the box looks so expensive, and also it is like really of good quality as well. So I just stuffed one of the marble candle that I have in my stash, and also one of the red nail paint and some packaging paper strips, so it looks nice when they open the gift. And I tried to match the flowers of the box, and I got this rose gold metallic satin ribbon, and I'm going to circulate that ribbon around the box and get how much length I want to. And I'm cutting here, and then using a dab of a hot glue, I'm going to stick this ribbon around the box just like so. And this is how the box looks after the ribbon is being attached. Isn't that pretty? I'm just loving it as is. And I also have this shiny roses from Dollar Tree, and I'm just taking one of the rows and I'm trying to, twist it so all the petals come close to each other, and I'm just snipping off a little bit that plastic part so I can stick it nicely on top of the ribbon. And using a dab of a hot glue, I'm going to stick this shiny rose on top of this shiny ribbon. Now this looks good enough for me, but I also wanted to give some more greenery to it. So I just grabbed one of this eucalyptus petal from one of my greenery. I just want to do just one leaf, so I don't want to overdo it. So I just stuck it with the dab of a hot glue, and it's also matching with the design on the box. So this is how it looks after it's completely done. So what do you think? I'm just loving it. This is a gift box which looks like a book. Like you saw the process, I just stuffed one of the beautiful candle and one of the nail paint. And I decorated the box with this rose gold shiny ribbon, one of the shiny rose, one of the eucalyptus leaf as a decor. And this is going as one of the gift to one of my friend, and I just wanted to share with you here. So I'm just loving this DIY. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. On to DIY number 3. This is actually a Christmas tree decor. So I have made this wooden box in my previous video, and I'm going to stuff this white Christmas tree into this box, and I also have some felt fabric that I'm going to stuff on top of the Christmas tree. I just had a block of a styrofoam. I stuck the Christmas tree onto it. I'm going to tie the Christmas tree with this lavender boa that I got from Dollar Tree, and also this pink shiny ribbon. I just circulated around the Christmas tree, and I created a bow on the top, and I just stuck some of this beautiful roses and lavender rose. I got this ornament string light. I also circulated that around the Christmas tree, just like that. So what do you think? I'm just loving this pink and lavender and white. So you have to let me know in the comment section about your thoughts. This is one of this pink rose Christmas tree, and I got everything from Dollar Tree. And this white Christmas tree I just decorated with this lavender color boa and this shiny sheer pink ribbon. Created a bow on the top, and this shiny pink ornament lights is also from Dollar Tree. Can you believe that? And I just circulated it around the tree, and the shiny roses, glam roses. So I just attached here and there with some hot glue and into this wooden box that I created. Yeah, this is one of the rose Christmas tree. I'm in love with it. So let me know your thoughts on this as well. So these are the few simple rose themed Christmas DIYs I'm in love with. So let me know your thoughts on this, which one is your favorite, and you would like to give any suggestions towards my channel. I would be more than happy to have it. And like I always say, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. And thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.